What's up, it's your girl Nisha B, and welcome back to my page. This is episode 2 of styling my hair until I hit hip length hair. And my sister talked about me from the last episode. She said, girl, that hair was for nothing because my hair was not retightened and you cannot see my scalp. Well, honey, you can see it now. This is what you're gonna get. Here, scalps. It only took me 3 weeks, but we here now. Scalping, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the hairstyle that I'm considering trying out today. And we're gonna convene here and we're gonna get the style going. So stay tuned. Hey guys, and happy today. All right, now look, I don't want to hear no crap, okay? I do not style my hair. I can style other people's hair and I can help like a little bit, but I don't do my hair. Like, I leave it alone for a reason, so don't go stressing me out. Now look, the style I found is this one. Okay, now look, it's a lot for me. So we're finna just start on my hair, and so I just pull my hair down out of my little scrunchie. I'm already stressed, like thinking about it. It's not even that hard of a hairstyle, but I'm like overwhelmed. Oh my goodness. Because I also don't want to like get carried away and jump from that little hairstyle I did where it was just like this little teeny section and my hair was curled versus like, you know, jumping into something that might be too much and hard for me to do and I get overwhelmed and don't want to do it anymore. So, but don't come for me in my daggone comments. I don't want to hear it. I don't style my hair. So heck, this is like a big deal for me. So you better have some patience and be nice. All right, I'm gonna adjust this camera. Okay, so now you can kind of see all my hair, and this is again my length currently. This like twist is like terribly uncomfortable. Anyway, so the hairstyle she has like a little, I don't really can't see the front, but I'm assuming it's a swoop, which I used to do all the time. However, my hair has been retightened with this middle part, so I'm not going to do that particular swoop, but I am going to do the 2 buns and a little zigzag in the back of her head. So that's what we're going to start with. Let me move my chair around. All right. I'm already stressed out. Like, this is too much. I don't have any proper scrunchies. My hair is too thick. So I have this one that opens up like this, and I need to find another one. And I don't remember where I put it. Found my scrunchie, and so, let's get started. I'm overwhelmed. All right, so I know she did like a low bun, but again, she had like a little swoop in the front. I'm not doing the swoop, so I'm just gonna push the buns. They're not gonna be quite back, like what she had. I'm double looping my little scrunchie to try and make it easier for me. I think I'm gonna leave a strand out here. I kind of like hair in my face. It's like for me, a way to hide my hair or hide my face in my hair. I also like to leave this one out because this is like 2 locks. I combined them on both sides to make them even, but I kind of like leaving that out as well. So, all right. Ow, just kind of pulling my edges already. I'm also tender-headed, y'all. I was tender-headed before my locks. So I know some people say they get like their hair starts being more tender or their scalp's more tender when they get locks. That's not the case for me. My hair was like this prior to getting locks, and it's just me not managing my hair, like keeping it retightened like I'm supposed to, or back when I was loose natural, keeping it detangled. So my hair's always been pretty much like this. So I like this side so far. Okay, it's kind of cute, you see? And we're gonna throw it in part. I'll loop it. Hopefully y'all can still see these daggone parts properly, because this jank is tight. I'm already tired. All right, so I'm gonna take all this hair up except for the one I doubled, because remember, this was 2 locks before. So I'm gonna take that one. Look at my edges. The little dash of baby hair. Don't tell me I ain't got no baby hair, honey. Baby hair, not baby hair, baby hair. Okay, as in natural. And no, it ain't no broken off edges. Okay, so this is about here in my ear, so go about here with the ponytail and try to push my hair out the way. And I'm, look at this hair getting stuck in there. This ain't about to be tight. Oh, look, it's almost even. This is a little higher than this one, but I'm not. Let me see if I can like. I like a kid I look little again. Ouch. All right. You remember that one commercial? Just for me. I used to get those little in the box relaxers when I was little. This is cute. All right, let me go back to the picture because I don't remember what she did after this. Let me go back to the picture and see, but I'm not mad. What the back look like, y'all? Can you actually see it? Can you see the little parts? I mean, I'm doing it with Locs, so what you think? Hi, look. Let me look at the playback. Y'all know daggone well that part don't look like that. Hey, that's my own fault for thinking I could do that, but I don't care. I'm gonna ride with it. Okay, so, all right. Then I know she did like the little braids and did braid buns. So, yeah, look how thick my hair is. Just take a moment and just like really. I don't wear ponytails for a reason. Okay, it's too much work. So I think I ain't even do all that extra stuff she did. I'm finna just do one little braid, but I'm gonna use like the longest side. So I'm already tired. From here to here, you can do like a quick little braid. All right, that's the braid. I ain't mad at it. All right, secure my black rubber bands. I reuse my rubber bands. I don't know what y'all be doing. I don't throw mine away. Like, when I'm done and it ain't break, I'm put it back in the container every time. Cause who finna be out here? All right, so it's a little looser rubber band, so we'll do that. All right, so that little braid is secured. I don't know if I want to do all that with my rest of my hair because there's just so much freaking hair, and I don't know if I want to do. You know what? Let's just do multiple buns. I don't think I'm gonna like it, but. That's another thing with like my locks. They're not all even. The front of my hair is shorter than the back because I had a bang at the time when I started my locks. From when I was like relaxed really. And I just maintained it when I had my little fro. So, but I liked it like that. I didn't want to get like an even cut because I didn't want all my locks to be the same length. And I like to have like a layered look to my face. So when it's down, like it's short here and then it goes like that and then it drops down to like here. So, which I like, and it works for me. All right, 2 little high school braids or middle school braids. All right, that's all I'm gonna do on that side because I'm kind of not liking it. So, all right, now this side, same thing. All right, that's what we got. Trying to remember the picture. It was like a low bun. It was very basic, but you know, what's simple to some is hard to others. I'm gonna twist this big piece down. I didn't even think about a ponytail holder to put this. Oh, Lord, I ain't got no scrunchie to put this in. All right, so we're just gonna rubber band this too because I don't know anymore. I don't have any more like scrunchies. I can't even like. I have a scrunchie, but I don't have like little ponytail holders to put my hair into. Y'all, trust the process. Cough, cough. Someone who don't know what they're doing. Then I leave the strand down. I could swear I left that down. Yeah, so we're just gonna do a. All right, too big. Oh yeah. 2 semi-big twists down, and then I'm just gonna like start. I think I'm gonna pin it. Do I have pins is the question. I have some in this thing. We're pinning. We are pinning it. All right, so we got this the back. Don't come from my part. We're gonna get here eventually. Eventually, I'm gonna be knowing how to style my hair. By the time my hair hit hip length, by the time my hair, Lord, got a little cat fur. By the time my hair hits hip length, I should know how to style my hair. That is the goal, ultimately. All right, so giant twist. This one look like, I don't know, this one's coming out a little bit. All right, so let's twist this thing down. Uh-oh, already better. Let me open this up. All right, I got what? Oh, I got, okay, I got two of these long ones. Long little, I don't know if you can see it, but is that a fur? My hair already on here. All right, I got two long of those. I have a little, what do y'all call these ones? It's like a, not a stick pin, but what do you call these? Drop the name of these in the comments. Drop that in the comments. I need more of them. So I'm gonna use, not that one. All right, I found one like it. All right, so boom, another one. So I'm gonna use that to pin this main twist to start. And I'm twisting in the direction that I try to twist this thing, even though it's coming out. So, and then I'm pinning here with the little one. We finna look half decent today. I might go do Amazon return just because of it. I work from home and do everything from the home. Or I go to my studio, but I'm working, editing right now, so I don't really leave the house like that. But I might go outside just so people can see my little hard work. All right. Ow, it kind of hurt a little bit. Y'all, when I tell you my hair, I'm tender-headed. It's crazy. Okay, same thing on this side. How did I do that? I went back, though. Hold on, wait a minute. This went like that. This need to go. Okay. So then it's like this. Hair coming out. So one thing about my hair being like different lengths. I don't hate it. But like actually trying, oh my goodness. So around like this. Oh, all right, here we go. Got one, see, sticking. Okay, even the other little one, and I'm just pin this joint here. And here. Uh-oh. Look how quickly it stretched my hair and stretch this thing out. And if y'all don't know about like my particular locks, I have 265. I started at, I believe, with 267. I have 265 locks. My hair is extremely thick. I know this, some people be like, oh, you don't have like traditional micro locks. I couldn't have traditional micro locks if I wanted to. My hair is too thick for most hairstyles. And it has been work for me since I was little. My hair is a labor of love for sure. And I thought I'm going to get my hair done because they charged me an arm and a leg because my hair is so thick. And I did this style or this amount of locks because I knew like in the front they're smaller, in the back they're a little bit bigger. But in the back you can't, like they look like traditional locks. And people are like, you have micro locks? Yes. They are micro. They don't look micro. These are thick behind little skinny locks. I might have could have did smaller ones, but I'm not finna pay for that. All right, so I'm getting some more little of these, what do you think it's called? And I got some of these now. Okay. I'm gonna get one more, like the first one I showed y'all. Some of the ones I have in here, cause like I said, I reuse stuff. Like I'll hang on to, I don't throw them away after I use them. Some of them don't have like the little, it was like two different packs. One has like the bulbs on the end that don't break your hair off or like stab your hair. And some do have them. So these ones that have them on the end, the little balls. So I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see my hair a little better. And then I might need a rubber band after this, but we'll see. Okay, oh Lord. I'm gonna use the two little ones. And this one, I'm gonna wrap under. So under here like that. And then I have the two little ones, and I'm gonna pin the other one, because that one went to the front. That went to the front. That went to the back. I can't even see. I thought that went to the back. So I'm gonna push it to the front. Should I? We're gonna do that, because I can pin it to this other one. I'm not hating it. I got little edges out too, so don't come for my edges. But I wanted to have baby hair in the front and back. Okay, I'm not mad at that one. You know, just giving the girl from Star Wars. Oh, I'm mad at it. At least it's even. Look. I'm not mad. I'll keep this in for a whole day. I'll wear this to my little social club. Go golf or something. Maybe just go do some Amazon return. All right, I got two more of the little ones. And I'm going to pin some of these little hairs that are little strands that are sticking off. So that's it for that. I'm gonna curl these little strands and I'm gonna check back in and show y'all my style. Be right back. All right, so this is my hair styled and with my little curlers, and I'll keep it for like maybe 30 minutes or an hour, just enough time for it to dry. Look her back. My cat is like stalking me, she's so cute. But yeah, and then I will show y'all the full finished hairstyle. But yay to hairstyle number 2. A little impatient. I waited about 30 minutes and I'm tired of waiting, so we're gonna take them out now. See if it actually curled. Barely. Okay, it's still a little damp, but it's not bad. I'm not mad at it. A little bit of a curl. And last but not least, this is still fairly wet, but I don't want to wait anymore. I gotta finish editing, so I'm not upset. Cool. All right, so yeah, that's the hairstyle. Yeah, I'm not mad at it. It's cute to me, and my little curl coming around the corner. Okay, quick little hairstyle. I'm not mad. This is episode 2 of styling my hair to hip length. If you care to see me try more hairstyles and etc for my medium bra strap length micro locks, be sure to like, follow, and comment below for more. Also, send any suggestions for different hairstyles to my Instagram at NishaB. And until next time, bye.